Hey guys, Coach Kelly here, official trainer of I Love Lacrosse TV. Today we're going to continue our series of identifying common characteristics in our shooting and passing technique. So today's shooting characteristic that we're going to speak about is called early extension. So when we shoot or pass, what we normally want to do is really, I always say we shoot with our legs, right? So good athletic stance, and we're gonna push through the ground and try to create as much power as possible by pushing through the ground. So, our lead foot steps hard into the ground as we shoot, as we fire our back hip and our hands, that leg straightens so it's able to pull our hips and our hands through and our arms through with a lot of speed and power. What we don't want, and what we see a lot in younger players, is what's called early extension, where their legs and their pelvis extend or straighten, right? It's usually in their back and their wind up, so they'll wind up, they get straight, and it's here, right? So as you can see, the problem with early extension is they're relying way too heavily on their arms, and they're not shooting with their lower body at all. You see it a lot in boys and younger guys. And that is the characteristic of early extension, which obviously leads to loss of power amongst other things. I hope you guys liked our latest video. If you want a free lacrosse training workout that will help you add 10 miles per hour to your shot, just click here or click the link in the description, enter in your email, and I will send it directly to your email. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, or leave a comment. Until next time, keep working.